Okay, so once you've activated the theme, you'll notice over here that you have a new block to your sidebar for Headway. The first thing that we're going to do is go ahead and click the visual editor. And we're going to go through the initial basic setup options. So to begin with, we can choose our basic layout structure. If we want the content area on the left, sidebar on the right, sidebar on the left, content area on the right, content area on the left, and then two sidebars on the right, sidebar, content area, sidebar, or single column. I'm going to go ahead and select to use columns system. Next, we can upload a header image, but I'm going to skip this for right now. After that, we can set primary colors. I'll just drop some colors on here. And then set the basic fonts. So for titles, I'm going to keep them at Georgia. For content, I'm going to move it to Arial. And in fact, for titles, I'm going to make it Arial Black. Build and finish. And I'm going to go ahead and publish changes. And so here we are. Now we can go back change the number of columns right here. Under leaves and columns, we can change the number of columns to 3 if we wanted the other layout. So just because you select the layout in the beginning doesn't mean you're stuck in that layout. And for column 1, I'm going to make it 150 pixels. For column 3, I'm going to make it 150 pixels. Now, this stuff kind of got thrown off, so I'm going to go to Actions, Arrange Leaves, I'm going to enable, Resize Leaves, I'm going to enable, and Arrange and Resize Columns, I'm going to enable. So that's going to allow me the most flexibility. Take this Hello World right here and move it here. I'm going to publish these changes. So now I'm going to make a widgetized sidebar on each of these areas. I'll take and I'll drop this one over here. And I'm going to change this name so that I can identify it. So this is going to be named and then let's add another widgetized area. And let's put it over here. And publish. Now I'm going to go ahead and put a rotating slideshow right above the Hello World. And for the image. Just grab something. And in here, I'll go ahead and add an image. Publish changes. Okay, so let's take a look and see how our site is looking on the front end. Here we are. And I can make these images rotate. So I'll simply add another one. And I'll just grab let's take a look at the site. And there's our slideshow. Let's add a couple of widgets here. So you see we have the left sidebar and the right sidebar widgetized area. I'll drop the archives. Well, actually, I'll put the archives over in the right sidebar. And let's just put the metadata, the login, over in the left. Take a look. We can change the speed of the slideshow. I'll come here. So here's the how long the image sits. We can change that to speed it up. We can change the type of effect. So let's do scroll down. Randomize the order. And you can choose to open hyperlinks in new window. Publish changes. Refresh the page. And you'll see that that's going to move a lot faster now. And you can see the effect has changed. That concludes this first tutorial on basic Headway setup. I'll keep creating tutorials and we'll continue to make more advanced edits. Thank you for watching.